guys. Let's learn some shapes name. This is triangle. T for triangle. Triangle triangle. This is triangle. It has three sides, three equal sides. T for triangle. And the color is red. This is rectangle. R for rectangle. RECTANGLE rectangle. This is rectangle. RECTANGLE rectangle. It has four sides. R for rectangle. And the color is blue. This is square. This is square. S for square. SQUARE square. This is square. It has four equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. S for square. SQUARE square. This is a square shape and the color is light green color. This is oval. Oval shape. O for oval. OVAL oval. It has no sides. O for oval and the color is red. C for circle. CIRCLE circle. C for circle. CIRCLE circle. This is circle. There is no sides. So it is round shape. So it is circle. CIRCLE circle. This is circle shape and the color is yellow. T for triangle. TRINGLE triangle. T for triangle. Triangle is a shape. T for triangle. TRINGLE triangle. Triangle is a shape. This is triangle. TRINGLE triangle. Triangle is a shape. It has three equal sides. 1, 2, 3. And the color is red. R for rectangle. RECTANGLE rectangle. This is rectangle. It has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has four sides. R for rectangle. RECTANGLE rectangle. And it has blue color. S for square. SQUARE square. S for square. SQUARE square. This is square. It has four equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has four equal sides. And the color is light green color. C for circle. CIRCLE circle. It has no sides. It has round shape. C for circle. CIRCLE circle. And the color is light yellow color. O for oval. OVAL oval. O for oval. This is oval. OVAL oval. This is oval shape. It has no sides. O for oval. OVAL oval. And the color is red color. T for triangle. R for rectangle. S for square. C for circle. O for oval. T for triangle. TRINGLE triangle. R for rectangle. RECTANGLE rectangle. S for square. SQUARE square. C for circle. CIRCLE circle. O for oval. OVAL oval. Red color, blue color, light green color, light yellow color, red color. T for triangle. TRINGLE triangle. It has three equal sides. 1, 2, 3. Triangle. Rectangle. RECTANGLE rectangle. R for rectangle. RECTANGLE rectangle. It has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. The color is blue color. Square. SQUARE square. Square has four equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the color is light green color. S for square. C for circle. CIRCLE circle. Circle is a shape. It has no sides. It is in round shape. CIRCLE circle. It is light yellow color. O for oval. OVAL oval. Oval has no sides. OVAL oval. And the color is red color. T for triangle. TRINGLE triangle. R for rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L, rectangle. S for square, S-Q-A-R is square. C for circle, C-I-R-C-L is circle. O for oval, O-V-A-L, oval. Triangle, red color. Rectangle, blue color. Square, light green color. Circle, light yellow color. Oval, red color. So, triangle, rectangle, square, circle, oval. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.